Good morning and welcome to week two. In week two, we're going to talk about internal and external analysis. As you can see right here, we have the page open for you guys showing you kind of what this is all about. We have the overview of the discussion board post, which is due on June 1st, or the applicable date of your class. We have the assignment that's due as well. We also have lectures that are PowerPoints on this. So we're really going in there, really trying to look and see kind of what analysis is about. Let me go ahead and click on one of them real quick so I can definitely see kind of what we have here for you. This is, let's see, come on, print the documents. Hopefully you don't have this problem where it takes a while to load, but we have, these are PowerPoints from the Rothenberg textbook we have. And it's kind of just going to go in there and kind of give you the objectives and let you know exactly what's going on. We're going to learn about pistol this week. We're going to learn about Porter's 5 forces. These are all things that are going to be great to really understand. I'm not going to touch on a lot of these things because you have the PowerPoints to look at yourself. But these are definitely things that I'm going to look forward to discussing with you in the discussion board post. And so I can go back and see what the other one shows on there, so we can have kind of a reference point for everybody. So here's the second one. Again, I hope you guys don't have this problem with the downloading part, but so internal analysis, we're looking at the A5 strategy and let's see, SWOT analysis. So core competencies, these look at and see kind of exactly kind of how different businesses look at that. And it's one of those things whenever you're looking at these different items, I want you to definitely think about kind of how your organization does it if you have a job. If you're just in school, maybe it's one of those things where you're going to look at the school and see kind of how we do things. Understanding this can definitely help us to understand kind of how businesses go and work in strategic manners. I always like to think of companies and I always like to try to talk about them in examples because it helps to bring the concepts home even more. Those kind of things are what we're looking for in the second week. Look forward to discussing with you in the discussion board post and helping you through the process. If you need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.